Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to solve this math problem, which can be found in your book on page 84, number 102. Now in this problem it states that in exercise 101, if the concentration of the solute of the ambient fluid is 0.05, if the initial concentration of the solute in the cell is 0.01, and if after 10 minutes the concentration is 0.02, how long will it be before the concentration in the cell is 0.03 or 0.04? So, from the previous exercise, we have this equation, and we'll use this to solve these problems. So first we need to find the constant. So we'll use the given, which is 0.02 is equal to 0.05 minus the quantity of 0.05 minus 0.01 times the quantity of e raised to the power of negative ka, and then the time, which is 10 minutes, so 10 over v, which is the volume. Then proceed 0.02 minus 0.05, which is equal to negative times the quantity of 0.05 minus 0.01 times e raised to the power of negative ka, 10 over v. Then this becomes 0.04 e raised to the power of negative ka, 10 over v is equal to 0.03, and then e raised to the power of negative ka times 10 over v is equal to 0.75. Then negative 10 ka over v is equal to ln of 0.75. Then ka over v is equal to 0.0288. Since we don't have the given, it's not included in the given, what is the area and the volume, then we could just consider it also as constant. So using this, we can now solve for the time of how long will it take before the concentration in the cell is 0.03. So 0.03, which is equal to 0.05 minus 0.05 minus 0.01, where e is raised to the power of negative 0.0288 t. Then we have 0.03 minus 0.05 is equal to negative 0.05 minus 0.01 e raised to the power of negative 0.0288 t. 0.04 e raised to the power of negative 0.0288 t is equal to 0.02. Now, e raised to the power of negative 0.0288 t is equal to 0.05. Then negative 0.0288 t is equal to ln 0.5. It's just simply algebra with basic calculus. So we can now find the time for this particular problem, so the time will be 24.1 minutes. Now, what if the concentration, how long will it take for the concentration in the cell to be 0.04? So, again, the same process. So, using the same process, we have 0.04 is equal to 0.05 minus the quantity of 0.05 minus 0.01 e raised to the negative 0.0288 t. Now 0.04 minus 0.05 is equal to negative 0.05 minus 0.01 times e raised to the power negative 0.0288 t. Then 0.04 e raised to the power negative 0.08288 t is equal to 0.01. See, because we transpose this one and it becomes 0.01, and this one we transpose that one and it becomes positive, and 0.05 minus 0.01 is equal to 0.04. You already know this. I know you already know this. You can solve this very easily. So from here you have e raised to the power negative 0.0288 t equal to 0.25, and then negative 0.0288 t is equal to ln of 0.25, and then t now becomes 48.2 minutes. And that's the solution.